Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a tailgate handle on a Ford Ranger. This is a straightforward repair that you can easily do yourself with a few common tools. We'll go step by step, making sure you have all the information needed for a successful replacement. First, let's gather our tools and prepare for the task ahead. Having everything ready saves time and makes the process smoother. Now, let's get to removing the old, broken handle. Begin by opening your tailgate and locating the inner access panel. You'll need to remove about 8 T30 Torx bolts to take off this panel. Once the panel is off, you'll see the handle mechanism. Carefully disconnect the 2 latch rods, then remove the 2 10mm nuts holding the handle. The old handle should then pull right out. With the old handle removed, it's time to install your new one. Before inserting the new handle, it's a good idea to spray some penetrating oil on the latch mechanisms and apply white grease to ensure smooth operation. Then, feed the new handle into the tailgate, aligning its 2 studs with the mounting holes. Secure it with the 2 10mm nuts, and finally, reattach the latch rods to the new handle. You're almost done. Before fully reassembling, test the new handle to make sure both tailgate latches are operating correctly. Once you've confirmed it works, reinstall the inner access panel, securing it with all 8 T30 Torx bolts. If you removed a bed liner or plastic cover, put that back too. Give the tailgate a few open and close cycles to ensure everything is functioning perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.